So we don't know what it's supposed to look like, so we're going to make a table. It's obviously going to be some sort of trig graph, so it's going to kind of repeat. Once you get figured out what's going on, you can kind of complete it yourself. But we got to figure out what's going on. Secant is the flip of the cosine. So if we're going to do these on our calculator, we're going to go 1 divided by cosine of the angle. Do not use the fraction button. That will screw you up. Use the divided by button. So 1 divided by the cosine of 0 is 1. Make sure you know how to get that on your calculator. One divided by the cosine of 45 is 1.4, which according to my 1/2 grid up there is about right here. And for 90, 1 divided by the cosine of 90, domain error. That's an asymptote.
Is 90 always?
No. It is for tangent and secant, because those are the two we've done, because that puts a cosine on the bottom, and cosine of 90 is 0. So we keep going. 135. 1 divided by the cosine of 35 is negative 1.4. Oh my. (180) negative 1. 225 negative 1.4. 270 asymptote. So I can kind of see where things are going here. Looks like we got an up, down, up, down, up, down thingamajobber. And each section has a little triangle type thing. What those are going to end up looking like is parabolas that snuggle. So it's going to end up looking like that. Okay? Secant and cosecant. Those are also on your Courtney Pierce, and you can see the period and stuff there.
No, I had to be him because I'm fine.
So now,
I don't think I did this.
there's my values.
Oh my gosh, I did it right.
I did it.
1 divided by the sine of the angle. Get an answer on your calculator. Then multiply it by 1/2. Okay, I take my time. I don't try to type everything in and hit enter and whatever. I take my time. I do the trig function first, then multiply it by 1/2. When I plot those on my graph, put the asymptotes in first so I can kind of see what this is gonna, how this is gonna shake out, and then I put my decimals. So it looks like that, and it's gonna be parabolas again.
So
Secant and cosecant look the same. So you snuggle them up, and there's your graph.